I want an interesting synonym to describe this thing that you say we're all grandfathered in. I'll use the search engine. Too much to discuss over a bucket of balls. I can recall the glow of your low beam. It's the big night in Tinsel City. Life became a spectator sport. I launched my fragrance called integrity. I sell the fact that I can't be bought. Have I told you all about the time that I got sucked into a hole through a handheld device? I will flash back now and again, but I'm usually alright. Thankfully the process has been simplified. Since the last time you tried, I've recognized the glow of your low beams. Numerous times I've been by the Batphone. If you need to get a hold, making a selection, opening credits roll, panoramic windows looking out across your soul. You going through the door, Vengeance Trilogy wallpaper walls. They have redecorated it all. They've changed all the lights and the bars down the side. I've recognized the glow of your low beams numerous times through fairly opaque blinds in the sitting room. Vehicles will pass by, but I know when it's you, I'll be in a nosedive in my flying shoes, right behind your closed eyes, like a memory from your youth. I'll be by the Batphone if you need to get a home, making a selection, opening credits roll. Killer pink flamingos, computer control, panoramic windows looking out across your soul.